Let me walk you through removing a background in the new Affinity by Canva. First, make sure you're on the Canva AI tab and that your image is selected. Now look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see two options, remove background and select subject. Go ahead and click select subject. This lets Canva AI automatically detect the main person or object in your photo. It might take a minute or two, so just give it a moment to process. Canva is analyzing the image and figuring out exactly where the subject is. Once your subject is selected, click the Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. If your mask needs cleaning up, just right-click the Layer Mask and choose Refine Mask. That will open the Refine Selection panel. Once your selection is created, you can refine the edges to make sure it's accurate and clean as you need it. After you adjust the settings, go ahead and hit the apply, and that's it. You successfully removed the background from your image using the new Affinity design by Canva. If you're excited like I am about the new Affinity design by Canva and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe.